SLM Entertainment YouTube channel presents Let's Speak Hindi Easily, a complete spoken Hindi program for you. Hi, dear present morning. Welcome to SLM Entertainment YouTube channel. Our channel proudly launches Speak Hindi Easily program today onwards. Due to this competitive world, we are to survive not only in South India but also in North India to develop our studies, business, etc. Since our childhood days, we have learned English during our school education. We are familiar with the English language. But still we don't concentrate on our national language. Hindi is spoken by 40% of Indian people. First we are Indians, then only we belong to our state. So to prove to be Indian, we should learn our national language Hindi. We should read, write, speak Hindi fluently. You can ask why I should learn Hindi. I no need go to North India. I don't have customers clients in North India. Suppose I have to go there, I easily manage with English fluently with North Indians. It is easy to say, but it will never will work out because most of the North Indians don't like to communicate in English. They give preference only for Hindi. Just like this. Please think just like this. When any North Indian or foreigner visits our South India on pilgrimage or tour, if they communicate with us in our state language instead of their own language, how much we feel very proud, happy, pleasure. We will give them a warm welcome. We provide them all their necessaries with a happy, just like this. When we visit North India, if we communicate with them in Hindi, how much they feel very happy. They will easily mingle with us. They will do all helps in our business activities. Our business will develop. Our customers, clients will increase. This is a business and a success formula. Our children will get good education. We clear the doubts of our children in Hindi language. Our children can easily survive with the national level engineering, medical entrance exams without language problem. So these are the benefits of learning Hindi language. We should take one more point. If only we respect other states' language, they will respect our language and us. Otherwise, if we set our mind only in our language, that I love only my mother tongue, that's only my heart, my breath, my brain, etc., etc. I don't like Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam, Telugu, but I like to speak in English, write in English. I love English very much. I feel proud to speak in English. Yes, if we are ready to learn universal language English with interest, why should we hesitate to learn our national language in Hindi? We should think one point. We should consider our mother language and national language as our two eyes. This is a duty of every Indian. Somebody wrongly spreading the rumors like learning Hindi will result to destruction of our mother language. This is entirely impossible. Think like this logically. Since before free India, number of English newspapers are being published in our India. Crores of Indian people read English newspapers. Still no. So what? Our Indian languages newspapers are stopped. Many people stopped reading their mother language newspapers. So many English channels are being telecasted in our Indian TV channels. So what? We stopped watching our mother language channels. So many Hollywood movies are being released in our Indian cinema halls. So what? Our Indian cinemas are destroyed. Our people stopped watching our mother language movies. Nobody can destroy our mother language till we love sincerely. Through learning Hindi, our mother language develops. Our mother language will be popularized. Through learning Hindi, we can translate our state's expensive poems, verses, stories, novels, biographies of our state's politicians, players, scientists, and other achievers into Hindi language. Thus, like we can establish the greatness of our state's culture, tradition, customs, etc., etc., among other states of India. So we proudly learn Hindi as an Indian. There are so many job opportunities are available for modern use from central government sectors, railway, bank, etc., etc. If we want an Indian administrative service post, we should learn Hindi. So to fulfill your desire of learning Hindi and speaking Hindi, our SLM Entertainment YouTube channel launches a Speak Hindi Easily program for you. Watch each and every episode of our program, learn thoroughly important verbs and easy grammar tricks provided by us. Through applying regular practice with a confident, you can easily speak Hindi fluently within 30 days. Okay, let's start the program. Today is the first day of our program. Once again, warm welcome and greetings for all of you. Today is the first day of our spoken Hindi program. Shall we learn some basic words, action words in Hindi? Learn today's all verbs thoroughly. Let's go. First, single letter Hindi verbs. A, come, ja, go, la, bring, kha, eat. Here we use this to ka as ka, ga, sing, pee, drink. Next, they, give, lay, take, sew, sleep, see, stitch, row, cry. Next we can see double letter verbs. First, देख, see, care, play, dowd, run, bite, sit, would, get up. For last two words, we use this to ta. Next, lick, write, kar, do, pad, study, read, seek, learn, pada, teach, sika, so teach. Okay, this much enough for today class. Tomorrow we learn how to apply these verbs in sentences. If you like this program, please click like. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon also. Okay, thank you. Today